It's wash day. Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my YouTube page, and today we're going to be washing my unit that I'm going to be putting on later today. But first, I would like to show you guys what products that I'll be using. I'll be using the Pantene Pro V, the 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo. And I love this product because, like it said on the bottle, it's a clean, like it cleans your wigs, it cleans all the gulkiness, the glue, the spray off your unit. So I highly recommend this product. And to me, it seems like it's similar to the the Tresemme. I don't see no difference. I seem like they're like the same to me because the way that they clean my units are very well. So I won't be before you long. I'll come in and out to basically explain the products that I'll be using. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. Oh, and just a quick note, the reason why the color is rinsing out like a reddish color is because I did rinse the unit, the tips of the unit, a red color. So it's not the shampoo, it's the rinse that was on the wig. And after I put the shampoo in, I do go back in and brush the back of the unit and all around the unit with a dimming brush. This helps get the knots, the kinks, anything that's tangling when I wash the unit, because you know when you wash your hair or your wigs, it get tangled with the water. But by brushing it, you're brushing out all the little knot ends and stuff like that that's in the hair. And after I'm done washing the unit, I do go back in with a moisturizing conditioner, and this is a Pantene foam conditioner. And guys, this stuff right here moisturizes your unit very, very well. And after I do this, you're gonna see me scrunch up the unit to make the curls pop a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Talk to you soon. I will be uploading a new video tomorrow. So bye guys, enjoy.